Hi, I'm Maha, and I'll be your instructor for Core 2096 this semester, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all. So this is my email address, and that image over here is something I created with AI, and it has hands holding balls of what I think looks like a little bit like artificial intelligence, and it's just to remind us that together we can have agency and control over what's happening with technology. Technology doesn't control us, we control it. And other than my email address, this is my blog, blog.mahabeli.me, and I'm on Twitter as Beli_Maha. I'm on other social media too, but Twitter is the one I use the most. And this word cloud says a lot about who I am. Other than being your teacher and being an educator, I'm also a writer and a mother and a lifelong learner, which is the most important thing for you to know. And this is another word cloud that says a lot about what's happening in the course. So even if you haven't looked at the syllabus yet, it's just important for you to know that this course emphasizes learning. There will be a lot of talk about empathy and bias, and there hopefully will be a class community. Hopefully we'll have fun. We're going to delve into your identity. We're going to look at issues of equity. We're also going to talk a lot about tools and data and a lot of things related to technology, as well as the cultural aspects and things like our cultural hybridity and our digital and analog hybridity. And our class is in a very fun place. It's SSECP 18. This is a class that has 6 screens. It has really comfortable chairs that can move around. So we can do a lot of group activities, as you can see over here, and we can do different things with the screens that'll be, inshallah, fun for all of us. And we're going to get to know a lot about ourselves. So who are we? How are we different from each other? What do we have in common with each other? We're going to do a lot about AI. We're going to use this site called the AI Pedagogy Project from Harvard that I was on the advisory board of to learn more about AI and be able to use it appropriately. So it's important to bring a device to class. We're going to do a lot of things with technology. So a phone or a laptop is best. Usually a phone is fine. We're going to be using Canvas as the main learning management system for the course, but I've also sent you the link to sign into Slack because that'll be easier for communication throughout the semester. And we're going to explore a lot of different tools, so be ready for that. It's a digital literacies course, so you need to be able to use a lot of different technologies. And there are no exams in this class, but that also means that the effort is distributed throughout the entire semester. You have to do a lot of assignments, small assignments throughout the semester, nothing huge. But no exams, so there's no stress from the exams. And a lot of your assignments are going to be posted on your blog for other colleagues to see. And you can actually go to that website and see assignments from previous semesters. So it's digital.creativitycourse.org. If you go now, you'll probably see people's final reflections from last semester. So you'll know a lot about which tools we used and different things that they've done throughout the semester that they found valuable for their own learning. There's going to be a lot of collaboration throughout the class. In the class, and some assignments will have teamwork, but you will always get to choose your teams for graded assignments. And hopefully we're going to have fun together and move outside the class sometimes if you're all willing to do that. And your well-being is very important to me. And we'll talk about this a little bit more in the class, but just know that your well-being is important to me. If you ever need to come to me, come and talk to me about whatever you need. But I will also try not to be a class that creates more anxiety and stress for you in general, even if I don't know what's going on in your lives, you know. And so I'm looking forward to seeing you at class Mondays and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. I almost always bring snacks with me. We're not allowed to eat inside the class, but we will take breaks in between and you can have a snack and then we come back into the class and finish the class. All right. So please don't bring any coffee or food. I will bring some snacks with me. You can bring your own snacks, but you can't eat them in the class. And you can bring water. Okay. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Bye.